lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you.
Good morning, everyone. So today is Wednesday. Last night baby didn't wake up until 10, and then I changed her diaper and then fed her, and she just seemed really uncomfortable. I think her stomach might be bothering her because yesterday and the day before that I ate a lot of chocolate covered almonds, and I think that is affecting my breast milk, which is affecting her when she nurses. So I had a breakdown yesterday because it was like almost 1 in the morning and she couldn't like fall asleep. Like she just seemed really fussy and she wouldn't like relax, and she just couldn't be comfortable, and I was just really like stressed out because I felt like it's my fault that she's uncomfortable. I haven't felt like that at all like since I gave birth to her, but then yesterday I just felt really bad, and I just feel like it's my fault. That's why she has like an upset stomach, but like her stool and everything is normal. Just felt really crappy, and I just cried, and my husband was asking me like why I was crying. And usually when I'm really upset like that, like if anybody asks me anything, I just don't want to answer. Like I don't even want to say anything. So this morning he asked me why I cried, and I just told him like it's my fault that she's feeling like this. And I don't know, it just makes me feel like it's gonna be tough like trying to go back to eating like the normal things I normally would eat, but definitely an eye-opener for me to be more cautious. I'm not just eating junk food, and I'm actually trying to eat like nutritious stuff so that way it'll be good for her. So aside from that, I don't really have anything planned. I'm just gonna be home, baby's sleeping, daddy's in the garage cleaning the shop, and I'm gonna clean the kitchen real quick. I'm just gonna wash the dishes and tidy up a little bit, and that way the house isn't so messy. I really try to utilize my time when she's sleeping so I can get things done, and my husband's gonna be going back to work in a couple of weeks, so I definitely need to just up my game, be more active, and really make sure that I get like house chores done while she's asleep, so that way things don't pile up, because your house is a visual of like your mental state. When I'm kind of in a rut, my house just gets kind of messy and it just doesn't look the way I want it to. Oh, mommy here now. Mommy right here, honey. She's awake and she is hungry. Good morning, or good afternoon, mommy should say. So my daughter woke up and I am nursing her right now. It's been 3 hours since she actually ate, and I'm still typing everything in my phone just so I know. Every time she wakes up, I like to feed her right away just so that way she has a full belly and she's not crying. As of now, she nurses about 10 minutes on each side. Sometimes I only nurse her on one side because she'll eat and then she'll just fall asleep. If she does fall asleep, then I just let it be, but if she's still hungry after 10 minutes, then I try to switch her over to the other side. So for diaper changes, I bought this mat from Amazon. It's $15. I like how big it is because that way she can grow into it. And I originally really wanted like the peanut diaper changing mat, but then I figure as she gets bigger, she's going to be able to roll around. And I also didn't want to deal with trying to find a spot for it. So I figured that this is probably the easiest way, and we can just change her on our bed. We have more room to work with. And I usually just put like a swaddle blanket or anything I can just over it, so that way it's not completely cold for her. And for diapers, we're currently using the Huggies right now. This is our third box of newborn diapers. The first one, my coworker bought me a box, and then we bought a 32 pack just because we figured she might be in a size 1 by now. But nope, she is still in a newborn. So we went to Costco and we bought another pack of newborn diapers, and it also comes with a pack of size 1 as well. I have these doggy bags that I bought a long time ago when we first moved into this house. So we've just been using these and they work fine because her diapers are small right now. So this size is perfect. We're using the Huggies because in the hospital they gave us Huggies and we got some from our friends and family. Since she is so small and her skin is a lot more sensitive, I just don't want to be interchanging wipes just in case if she has like a rash. So we're going to use up all of the Huggy ones that we have, and then we'll switch on over to Kirkland. I'm going to give her a diaper change. She normally hates it, so I'm hoping she doesn't cry. As of now, she's kind of content. We're all done with her diaper change, and surprisingly, she did not cry. But she didn't poop yet, so give her probably like another 10-15 minutes or so. She's probably gonna poop, but that's okay. I went to get her out of her wet diaper anyways, so just in case if she does fall asleep, because again, sometimes she'll wake up and she'll be up for like a couple hours, sometimes she'll be up for like 30 minutes. So I always try to make sure I change her while she's up, that way her bottom doesn't get irritated. So she's kind of content right now, so hopefully she stays like this. She's just like staring at me, wondering who mommy's talking to. Huh. I really want to take her outside, but her dad is using the power wash right now, so I don't want to go out there because it'll be too loud. Oh, it's okay, Mama. She's sleeping right now. I had to nurse her again because she was just really fussy, so she wouldn't really take her pacifier. So I nursed her, and now she is sleeping. She'll probably sleep for like another couple hours, I hope. I usually hold her until she's pretty deep into her sleep before I put her down, otherwise she's just gonna fuss, and then it's gonna be the whole process all over again.
I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. thinking about my options, every detail in my head. But it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead.
I nursed my daughter and then I fell asleep with her. I've been taking a nap kind of midday now. It's the only way I'm gonna get through the day. If I don't take a nap anymore, then I literally have such a hard time staying up at night when she's up. So I took like probably almost like a 45-minute nap with her. So I'm just gonna try to edit some videos, and I just try to be productive if I can. If I'm just really tired, then I just give myself a little grace and just go to bed, because I need to be able to take care of myself in order to take care of her. If you guys haven't had these organic Aussie bites from Costco, you have to get these. They are so good. Literally tastes like an oatmeal cookie. I started eating some of these already because I need to slowly incorporate other things into my diet. I'm almost done with my chicken diet. So this has rolled oats, dried apricots, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, honey, coconut, quinoa, chia seeds, and more. So it's got a lot of good stuff in here.
Trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it. Yeah, I try my best, but nothing turns out right. But I need I've been running insane, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can. I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can. I ain't got nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing left.
Oh, Mamiya.